Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Vinny here. So this video is about basic organization kitchen tools you might need to maximize your kitchen space. I personally use these products and I'm very satisfied with all these products which I have been using for a long time now. So I hope this video will help you to get some ideas how to maximize your kitchen space. So let's get into the video. This is my kitchen. It is small in size and most of the storage cupboards are out of my reach. The first product is this stainless steel kitchen countertop rack. I came across various designs of countertop racks while I was browsing one. The reason why I chose this stand is because I get extra space to work around. Any small bottles or boxes can go under them, and once I am done with cooking, I would keep all the things back to its place, and also I can clean easily without having to move the rack. It is the practical solution for my small kitchen countertop. It is strong enough to hold my mixer as well. The second product is the stackable multifunctional stainless steel storage rack. This is similar to the previous one, but the only difference is this is stackable. You could use them alone in your kitchen cupboards or stack them on top of another. You could fit medium height storage containers in the lower layer, and tall containers can be kept in upper layer easily. It maximizes the space and I don't need to move the stand around for cleaning every day. It also holds good amount of weight. The third product is this plastic 4-layer shelf rack with wheels. I bought this stand to keep my kitchen items such as vegetables and medicines so that they are visible and accessible. As you can see, I had used small storage boxes to separate vegetables. You will get enough space to store your items in this rack. You can also easily move this rack around to fit into your desired space. This is my shelf above countertop. As you can see, my shelf is almost out of reach for me. It is hard for me to pull out spice boxes one by one while cooking. So I decided to use this big basket to store all my necessary spices in small boxes. You can easily find big baskets like this in DMart. I can pull out the whole box to pick and use the spice with less struggle. These two magnetic whiteboards which can be fixed on the fridge is for general kitchen organization. In one board I have written fridge items in store, and on other board I have written to buy items. These are flexible and smooth. I bought these from Chennai Higginbotham's store for Rs 130 per board. They had several colors but I chose white color. Quality is very nice for the price. This magnetic board can be found online as well, but I find it little pricey. That is all for today's video guys. Thank you for watching.